हरिः कन्ना।
So before we wrap up this third module in intuitive exploratory data analysis for you course, we will just look into the major difference between graphs in computer science and spatial data. In computer science and information technology, that is IT, the term graph typically refers to a depiction of the connections among entities and to the underlying data structure. If you see this example, this is called as a graph in computer science and IT. So these 1, 2, 3, these are marked. These are all known as the nodes, and then the lines which joins the nodes are known as edges or lines. Basically, they tells about the relationship between the nodes. So that's what we call it as a graphs in computer science and then IT. So this kind of data is known as a graph data. Okay. And another side, in statistics, graph is used to refer to a variety of plots and visualizations. So if you see this graph, when we say graphs in statistics, it could be any type of graph. It could be bar chart, it could be a line chart, it could be a temperature graph, or it could be your pie chart, it could be multi-line graph, or it could be scatter plot. There are different stack bar chart. So there are different types of graphs, and each type of various types of graphs are explored in intuitive plots for you course, IP for you course, intuitive plots for you course. We have explored around 36 plots, 36 types of plots in that course. I would request you to watch that course also. So this is the major difference between graphs in computer science and graphs in statistics. When I say graphs in computer science, that gives a completely a different meaning, but when I say the graphs in statistics, that will give you a different type of meaning. Okay, so not just of connections among entities, the term applies only to the visualization, not to the data structure when it comes to the statistics. So in statistics, graph is used to refer to a variety of plots and visualizations, not just of connections among entities, and the term applies only to the visualization, not to the data structures. So before we wrap up, the key ideas uh, of this the third module, rectangular data and non-rectangular data, exploring rectangular and non-rectangular data module in intuitive EDA for you course. The basic data structure in data science is a rectangular matrix in which rows are records and columns are variables or features, and terminology can be confusing. There are a variety of synonyms arising from the different disciplines that contribute to data science, statistics, computer science, and information technology, and where there are different types of non-rectangular data types such as hierarchical, spatial, and graphs data, text data, and time series data.